We now determine the number of sales made by the salesperson B using this graph. This graph actually shows the number of sales made per month by two salesperson A and B. So let's see how to do this. So basically we have to find out the area under the graph of the salesperson B. So this is the graph of the salesperson B. We have to calculate the number of sales made by this person for 1 year. That is, we on the x-axis we have been given the months, and on the y-axis we are given the sales number of sales made. So it's basically if we have to calculate this area. So that gives the number of total sales. To find out the area, we will use a method of calculating the number of squares and then summing up those area. So let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to count the full squares first. I have this square. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4. This is a full square under the graph of, maybe I can mark this so that I don't go above the salesperson B. 6, and this is 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the full complete squares. So far I have 10 complete square boxes. And let's see if I can add up some more area. So I have this area. I can add this along with this area. This seems like it's another complete square when we add these two remaining areas. So I add 1 to this, and then I have this area which I can add it to some portion of this. I can add it with this. So this could be considered as one more graph or one more square box. And then I have this partial. This is maybe considered as half of the square. So I put half, that is 0.5. Now let me add all these three, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus half. So this is equal to 10 plus 1, 11, and plus 1 is 12. It's basically 12 and off, or I can write down this as 12.5. We must be knowing that from this graph, each box represents the sales equivalent to 20, because the height of each of the box is 10 and the width of each box is 2 units. So when you multiply these two, we get 20 sales. So basically each box represents 20 sales. So here we have counted approximately about 12.5 boxes. So which means we have to sum it up like this: 12.5 times of 20, and this gives 250. So therefore approximately the salesperson B has made 250 sales.